This video is for TB Rod SS, okay? He requested as to why I didn't post a video or the location of an oil filter in which I had done an oil change in my 2017 Chevy Traverse. Well, guess what? Guess what? In my mind, I figured everybody knew where the oil filter would be. You know, when you pop the hood, you would see it, whether it's on the top, on the bottom, you get underneath, you look at it. But that's not so. That's not the case. So he was adamant. I was like, all right, I'll send you a video just basically as to where it is. So here we go. I'm going to show you where it's at. This is just for you, TB Rod SS. All right, here we go. All right, guys. So here we are. I promised a video to one of my subscribers over here, and he wanted to know where the oil filter on my 2017 Chevy Traverse is. All right, so there it is. 2017 Chevy Traverse. I'm gonna pop the hood. I already had it open. All right. As you pop the hood, straight over, here's where the oil fill, here's your oil engine dipstick, and then straight down, right there, AC Delco. Let me see if I can zoom in. There it is. There's your oil filter. Part number PF63, AC Delco. There it is, guys. This is why I didn't show the oil filter in one of the videos. One of the guys made a request. Guess what? There it is. One more time. There it is. And it's right next to the exhaust manifold as soon as you open the hood. And that's why I figured it was no big deal, because people would see it. There you go, guys. See you later.